Good morning students. In previous video we have seen about India's physiography and location. Now we will discuss about geological structure, which is very most important topic for your exam, and this geological structure is known about our earth upper surface, or you can say earth crust. So current this physiography of India is the result of tectonic and crystal movement. This tectonic and crystal movement can be formed the constructive as well as the destructive effect. What is the meaning of constructive and destructive? Constructive means to construct something, or destructive means to destroy or destruct something. For these constructive movements, it can form a mountain and plain. On the other side, for the destructive movements, it can be formed a valley and sea. Okay, we will see what is constructive and destructive movement, and for that this is a divergent and the convergent plate also. Okay, earth crust float over the semi-liquid rock of the asthenosphere. Earth crust float over the semi-liquid rock of asthenosphere. The heat generated from the inside of the earth due to the radioactive process. Heat is generated due to the radioactive process inside the earth, and this heat it reach at the surface of the earth, and it generating conventional current. So this will be formed of faults and the fault like that, faults like that. Okay, this will generating faults and faults. Once again, earth crust is floats over semi-liquid rock known as asthenosphere. Heat is generated inside the earth due to the radioactive process. This heat is reach up at the surface of the earth and generating conventional current. Due to this conventional current, it will take a faults and a fault. Okay, and when this conventional current developing faults and fault, the earth's upper surface, earth's upper crust, earth's upper surface is break down into the 7 large parts is called as a 7 tectonic plate, or you can say a lithospheric plate. Which are they? First, Pacific plate, second one is North American, third South American, fourth Eurasian, fifth African, sixth Indo-Australian plate, and seventh is a Antarctic plate. For made up of this earth crust or 7 tectonic plates, there was a big role of a divergent plate and the convergent plate. What is divergent and the convergent? Okay, at some places two big plate drift away from each other. Drift away from each other is called as a divergent place. And other side, at some places two plates was moving towards each other is called a convergent plate. Due to this divergent plate, tectonic and volcanic activity took place, or for this convergent plate, mountain building process can be done. Okay, next one is how our mountain, valley and sea formed. First, India. In ancient time, it was believed that India was a very part of a very large and vast land mass known as a Gondwana land. In this Gondwana land consists South American plate, African plate, Australian plate and Antarctic plate. These 4 plate combinedly makes the Gondwana land. Okay, so this Gondwana land includes 4 plates: Indo-Australian plate. It was believed that Indo-Australian plate moving towards the north. Suppose this is Indo-Australian plate. It moving towards the Eurasian plate. They collide with each other, and it was believed that today the Himalayan system was formed due to this Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plates collide. Before Himalayan system formed, there was a Tethys Sea. This Tethys Sea was submerged and it can take place of Himalayan system. So, Himalayan system is formed by a Indo-Australian plate and a Eurasian plate. Next one, how our plain formed. This is Himalayan system formed. How our plain formed. Himalayan system, from that Ganga and Brahmaputra river were flowing. Okay, for that this continuously deposit alluvial sediment through the plain and make that plain a very fulfill amount. So, this deep valley fulfilled by the alluvial deposit by the river, so it is make a river plain. Okay, so this is first one is mountain, second is river plain, and third one. From when we going Himalayan to the southern portion, there is a huge peninsular plateau. Due to the volcanic eruption, this peninsular plateau's large part is disintegrated from this plateau, and this is disintegrated and submerged into the Arabian Sea, and it is believed that the India's Western Ghat or Eastern Ghat is formed by this process. So, what we have studied that India area is 30.8 lakh square kilometer. We have seen our neighboring country Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat, which is responsible for the rainfall. Okay, so we can say that India holds a diversified physiography. So, this is the end of our chapter.